Oh yes, Tri-City is my city. I was born and raised there, and I cannot wait for them to get a little bit of rain, but I hope they enjoy today because it's going to be a really warm one across a lot of the Midwest and southern United States. Those high temperatures sitting in the 80s from Dallas all the way up through Oklahoma City, Kansas City as well, northern parts of the United States in the 70s for this time of year. That is absolutely gorgeous. However, anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees above average, this is only fueling that potential for severe weather that's going to continue throughout the night tonight and into tomorrow. This is our bullseye, our level 2 out of 5 on our severe weather scale that includes a lot of the United States from Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Illinois, Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana, and over into Oklahoma. We're going to continue to see this widespread storm sweeping across this millions of Americans that are going to be impacted by this storm system. So let's take a look at what we can expect over the next couple of hours because, again, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms over Kansas and Oklahoma tonight, but it's tomorrow afternoon and evening that we are expecting from Little Rock, Arkansas, to Memphis, Tennessee. This is going to be where the highest potential of widespread scattered tornadic activity is going to be along that frontal boundary that's going to continue to move across the country. Again, this is Saturday evening, and it's only going to continue to spread farther and farther north and east. As it does so, it's going to lose a little bit of energy. So Saturday is definitely that big severe weather day. But even on Sunday, there is the potential for a few more strong to severe thunderstorms over parts of Ohio into Pennsylvania and New York City. So keep that in mind as we step out throughout the weekend. This is going to be a widespread sweeping thunderstorm system that has the potential, again, of tornadic activity, large hail and damaging wind gusts Saturday and Sunday.